She don't wait, she creates. Cada paso, una promesa. She's the storm, the silence, the rise. Grindera, sin pausa. She wake before the sun hits sky. Stacks of dreams, no alibi. Con uñas y fuerza, she builds a lane. No handouts, just hustle and pain. She's got scars that shine like gold, stories that never get old. From Kale to Cosmos, she climbs her rhythms raw, her grind divine. She don't beg, she don't borrow. She's the blueprint for tomorrow. Her hustle's holy, her steps align. She's the prayer and the grind combined. Grind her up under. She moves like thunder, dressed in grace. No fear, no shame, no trace of doubt. She owns her space. Grind her up under. From sacred roots to neon flame, she hustles holy, she breaks the frame. She's a name they'll never tame. She's got rhythm in her rage, turn struggle in a stage. Cada lágrima un verso más. She's the queen of every loss. She don't fold, she flips fate, turns hustle into something great. Her grind's a ritual, her voice a spell. She's the story they'll never quell. Soy fuego, soy fe. I rise cada día, no hay por qué. Mi alma brilla, mi voz es ley. I grind pa' siempre, I pave my way. She's the echo of every mujer who rose from nada, became la jefa. She don't chase, she attracts. Her power's real, no need to act. She's rhythm, she's raw. She's the grind they can't ignore.